Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Cindy Putri Lestari, NPM 224111013 from Management Class 228. On this occasion, I will present material on the theme of inventory management. Inventory management is system for managing supply. How inventory items can be classified and how accurate inventory records can be maintained. Then we will observe inventory control in the service sector. Operation manager around the world have realized that good inventory management is very important. On the other hand, a company can reduce costs by reducing inventory. On the other hand, production may stop and customers become dissatisfied when an item is not available. The goal of inventory management is to determine balance between inventory investment and customer service. You will never achieve a low-cost strategy without management good supplies. Actuary of inventory record. Actuary of inventory record is a prerequisite for management inventory, scheduling production, and ultimately sales. Actuary can be maintained with a periodic of perpetual system. The periodic system requires regular periodic inventory for determine the quantity of inventory on hand. Some small retailers and where the inventory factually in managed by the seller of goods. Seller goods check inventory quantity on hand and provide it again as necessary using a periodic system. However, the weakness of the periodic system is it lack control between review and the need to carry suppliers addition to protect it from inventory shortages. Inventory is any stock of goods or resources used in an organization. The inventory system is a series policed and control that monitor inventory level and determine inventory level that must be on hand, when inventory must be replenished, and how big the order should be. The entire company, including GET, operation, storage, supply, inventory for the following reason. 1. To maintain independent operation, material supply standard in a working center and build working center. Flexibility is in operation. For example, because 3 is free for each new production setting. This inventory management allows to reduce the number on setting. Independent workstations are also expected to be present on assembly lines. The time required for performing similar operation will vary from unit to unit next. 3. It is hoped that 3 will be some cushion the inside of the workstation, resulting in shorter performance times can compensate for longer performance times. This can making the average output quite stable. 2. To meet variance in production demand. If requests in the product know precisely production of that product in the exact quantities required by demand would be possible, even if it is not safe cost. However, demand is usually not complete now, and a safety stock or buffer must remain in place for absorb variation. 3. To allow flexibility in production scheduling, inventory stock reduces the burden on the production system because products leave the in system the caused more lead time which allow production planning with a smoother flow and lower cost low production with larger lot size. If the stock costs are high, for example, it will be more profitable when the amount unit production are larger for one stop. Inventory function. Inventory can have various functions that can add up flexibility of company operation. The four inventory function are as follows: 1. To provide a cost of goods to meet your requirement. Anticipated customer demand and separates the company from demand. Fluctuation inventory like this is used generally in retail company to separate several stages of the production process. For example, if a company inventory fluctuates, inventory addition may be required to separate the production process from supplier. 3. To take advantage of discounted amounts, the purchasing in larger quantities can reduce shipping contact goods. Inventory control. Inventory control is a system used by companies as a report for top management and inventory management as inventory performance measurement tool and can be used to help create inventory policy. The report contains inventory level, desired inventory operating cost and investment level as material comparison with other periods. Type of inventory. To accommodate inventory function, companies must maintain four types of inventory. 1. Raw material inventory. Raw material stock. Ingredients that are usually purchased but have not yet entered the process manufacture. This inventory can be used to decouple supplier of the production process. 2. Inventory of semi-finished goods. Work in process with inventory. Product or raw material companies that have been went through several processes of change, but is it not finished yet? 3. Maintenance repair operations MRO. Supply inventory for maintenance repair operation required to keep manufacturers and process productive. 4. Finished good inventory. Finished good stock. Items that are ready to be sold, but are still internal asset company bookkeeping. Actuary of inventory record. Actuary of inventory record is a prerequisite for management inventory, scheduling production, and ultimately sales. Actuary can be maintained with a periodic of perpetual system